Do you know these 3 amazing facts on Indian legal system? India is one of the few countries in the world that has a provision for bail in the case of non-bailable offenses. In most countries, if a person is charged with a non-bailable offense, they have to remain in custody until their trial is over. However, in India, the law allows for bail even in the case of non-bailable offenses, provided certain conditions are met. Did you know that India has the largest number of lawyers in the world? According to the Bar Council of India, there are over 1.3 million lawyers registered in India. This means that for every 1,000 people in India, there are more than one lawyer. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. It has 448 articles, 12 schedules, and 97 amendments. The Constitution was adopted on January 26, 1950, and it lays down the framework for the functioning of the Indian government, judiciary, and legal system.